How you doing? So we've got some spicy tomato scrambled eggs. And when I say spicy, usually this dish is really spicy, but yeah, I'm toned it down a little bit. We've got Ethiopian breakfast eggs here. It's really simple, it's delicious. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. So I'm gonna be using 5 eggs here today. I've got 1 cup of onion or shinkut. I've got 3 cups of tomatoes cut nice and small, or timatim, karia or fresh chili. Now, that's not a lot of chili. It is a lot, but yeah, I've seen people make it with 4 times that amount. There's a lot of chili in this one. Tablespoon of garlic, which is a nech shinkut, which means white onion, salt and pepper. Salt, chow, pepper, kondo Burberry, I think. That's about it. Let's get moving. So I've got some oil in there. I'm using the sunflower oil. You could use a different oil if you like. About 2-3 tablespoons. The word in Armenic for oil is zait. Let's put in our onion or shinkut, cut nice and small. Slightly above medium heat, about 4 minutes. Keep it moving. Okay, so the onions are cooking really nicely. Let's get in now the garlic or the nech shinkut, the salt and the pepper to taste. And just go now for 2 minutes. Just a couple of minutes there. Next up, we're going to add the tomatoes or the timatim. Like I say, try and use a nice ripe, juicy tomato if you can, because we're really going to cook these right down. This is probably going to take about 6 or 7 minutes now. In the meantime, we've cracked the eggs. We're going to beat them up. If you wanted, you could add the chili now. I'm going to add mine when it's kind of cooked down a little bit. See you in about 6 or 7 minutes. So you can see that the tomatoes have really broken down and made a sauce basically. So I'm now going to add my chili. And like I say, that looks like a lot, but yeah, I've seen people put tons more in that. I mean, that's enough for me, definitely. Then we're going to drop the eggs in. I'm using 5, and you can adjust this as much as you want, beating them. And then we're going to cook away. We're going to keep stirring and stirring. Now, I don't think I've ever seen in Ethiopia, when I've been there, anyone eating kind of runny or easy eggs. It's always fairly well cooked. I mean, you can do it exactly how you want, but yeah, it's usually sort of well done, the egg. It's going to be 2 or 3 minutes maybe. Keep it moving. You've done it. Okay, off goes the heat. You see what I mean? It's kind of, you know, it's very well cooked, this one. Check the salt level. Good for me. Okay, job done. There you go. Really simple but spicy. One of the few dishes that's not always served with injera. You can serve it with injera if you want, but I've always seen it and we always eat it just with bread or dabo. But that's it. Nice, easy Ethiopian breakfast eggs. Good anytime, actually. I'm a Saganalo. Keep safe, keep well. See you soon. Lots of love. Thanks a lot for getting to the end of the video. If you'd like to give me a thumbs up, that does help us out quite a lot with the algorithm and such like. Subscribe if you like, you'll get notified about what we're doing. There's a thanks button if you want to donate. See you soon.